Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to clear update cache in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to clear update cache in Windows 11 from File Explorer. To start, open File Explorer. After that, you will go to the path that you see on the screen. Doing so selects all elements. Click Delete. Leave the box checked for permissions and click Continue to proceed with this process. You may need to confirm the action for some particular items. Chapter 2. How to clear update cache in Windows 11 from disk cleanup. To start, enter disk in the search box, click on Disk Cleanup, select Drive C and click OK. When the window loads, click on Cleanup System Files. Again, select Drive C. Here, check the box, Windows Update Cleanup. Click on OK and confirm the deletion by clicking on Delete Files. Chapter 3. How to clear update cache in Windows 11 from terminal. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click on Run as administrator and click Yes to access. Now, first of all, you are going to stop the update service. Run the command on the screen. After that, stop the background transfer service with the command net stop bits. After this, access the path on the screen with the command that you can see. Now you are going to delete the content using the on-screen command. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.